Lighting in Katin Domik dollhouses isn't just for photos. It's designed to actually be used. The lighting works room by room, just like in a real home, not all at once. The fireplace has its own separate light source. Its transparent cover imitates real hot coals. Each room, including the fireplace, has its own switch. The switches are designed to feel intuitive. They have a clear physical clip, making them easy to understand even for small children. The bulbs are positioned slightly towards the front of each ceiling. This allows the light to fall onto the scene, keeping the dolls in the spotlight. Warm spectrum LEDs are used throughout the house. They create a soft, cozy atmosphere and stay comfortable for the eyes. The bulbs are replaceable, helping the lighting system remain functional for years. All wiring is completely hidden inside the structure, making the house look clean and neat from every angle. The dollhouse is powered from a wall outlet rather than batteries. This provides bright, stable lighting without fading during long play sessions. In the evening, the house can also work as a soft nightlight, adding a calm, ambient glow to the room. In Katin Domik dollhouses, lighting isn't just a feature, it's part of the play experience.